I have developed Redwarn, which is one of the most popular user scripts on the English Wikipedia. So today I just want to make a quick video about how to develop user scripts like a pro, how to develop them in the best and the easiest way so that you don't have to keep, every time you make a change to your script, you don't have to keep publishing it to the public, and also so you have a better development experience. So first things first, it's quite easy. You of course need a Wikimedia account, which I'm sure you have if you're watching this video. But next thing you need to do is install Node.js onto your computer. So it works on any operating system, so Windows, macOS, and Linux. I'm on macOS at the moment, but I've done it on Windows, I've done it on Linux, so any operating system will work for you. Okay, so once that's installed, you will need to choose an IDE. I suggest you use Visual Studio Code, which is one that I'm going to be using, as you get more integrated JavaScript support. And that is what I've used to develop Redwarn and my other apps and user scripts. So now let's get to the gist of it. How do you develop a user script using these tools with Node.js? So with Node.js, we are going to use a package called HTTP server, which opens up a web server on your local computer. What that basically means, unjargonified, that the files on your computer can be loaded by Wikipedia as if it was coming from the website itself, because you are making a website on your own computer. Okay, so let's go over how we do this quickly. So here is Visual Studio Code. First thing I am going to do is open, and I am going to create a new folder and call it my script and open it. Trust the authors. And then on your left side here you have your files, so I'm going to create my script and call it script.js, and this will be our user script. So I will put in some placeholder code here, so I'll say hello, and if we switch back to our Wikipedia page now, we need to head over to our common.js file. You can also use a skin.js file, anywhere that you develop normally. So to do that, you put in special mypage/common.js and you press enter. This will take you to your common.js page. So if you edit it, and you will need this line here, mw.loader.load, and then this URL here we will need to switch out after we started our HTTP server. So let's do that. So this command will work if you have Node.js installed. So to open up a terminal, you go up to your menu bar up top. It should just be at the top there generally. On other operating systems, on macOS, it's up top in your normal bar up the top. I can't remember what it's called, but there you go, terminal, new terminal, and you'll have it here. And you type npx http server. Now that's there, we have our URL, which is here. So we know that this is localhost, so localhost is 127.0.0.1 and port 8080. So we have our localhost here. I'm going to switch to 8080. 9696 is the one I developed Redwarn on, but if we just change this here to script.js and click publish, we can now see that our code runs. I'm going to notice our code, because if we switch back and change this from hello world to goodbye world, a bit dark, but there we are. And we click save. And now when we reload the page, okay, that perfectly shows an issue I was going to discuss. There may be caching going on. So first thing to do is make sure you saved your script. Hold shift, and so I'm holding shift on my keyboard right now, and then you click the reload button, and then you get your new script. So I changed it from saying hello world to goodbye world. So there we go. Now you can develop your user scripts like a pro, and hopefully avoid a stressful development environment. I hope this helped. Bye bye.